Hello there, thank you very much for joining me. It's Mohammed Fahim. Today's lesson is about future perfect, future complete. This means that work will be complete at a specific time in the future. यानी future में खास वक्त में जो है वो काम मुकम्मल हो जाएगा. This is 11th tense of 10 series, and afterwards there is only one tense remaining, and we will talk about in next video. However, in this video we will talk about future perfect yani future complete, actions that will be completed at a certain time in the future yani future में एक खास वक्त में काम मुकम्मल हो जाएगा. It's really simple and it's not used most often, but obviously it's used in certain contexts. The formation technique is really simple. In the beginning, we put subject, then we add only will plus have, and then the third form of verb, which is also known as past participle. So, सबसे पहले हम subject लगाएंगे, जो भी हमारा subject होगा, and then will have, and then third form of verb, जिसे past participle भी कहते हैं. Please remember, ये tense जो है, ये particularly can be used for planning, for assumption, for prediction. This tense is used for planning, for prediction, for assumptions in the future. यानी मुस्तकबिल में जो काम होने हैं उन आप assume करते हैं, predict करते हैं, यानी पेशगोई करते हैं, उन चीज़ों के बारे में बड़ी आसानी से हम इनसे इस टेंस को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Let's move to our examples. लेकिन example में जाने से पहले एक point note करना चाहूँगा. This is simple formation, subject plus will plus have plus third form. If you want to make the sentence negative, you need to put not in the middle of will and have. You will put not in the middle of will and have. This means after will you will put not and then you will apply have to complete the sentence. However, if the sentence is interrogative or questioning, then you will be bringing will out in the beginning of the sentence, and this is how you can make the sentence interrogative. So these are the simple rules. We have examples. I will have, I is a subject, and then will have is auxiliary verb. Finish is a first form, but we shall use third form, finished. My work, so it is an indication that in the future I'll finish my work at a certain time. Next sentence is I'll have cooked dinner before guests arrive. So there is a clear indication that I will have cooked dinner. कि मैं खाना पका चुका हूँगा. I will be complete. I will have done everything concerning cooking before guests arrive. यानी मेहमानों के आने से पहले. So this is simple, present simple. To give, because it has two parts, this sentence has two parts. So ये indicator जो है ये basically अगर इस तरह के sentences आ जाएं तो हम यानी कि एक काम आप पहले कर चुके हैं और जो काम अभी होने वाला हो, तो जो काम अभी होने वाला है, something is that is going to happen in any sentence or in any activity. So to translate that sentence we will use present indefinite. So I will have cooked dinner before guests arrive is about future. Now we'll see we will have reached Lahore by noon. This means it's not noon. It's not noon time. So we will have reached Lahore by noon. It's also about future. यानी future में काम complete हो चुका होगा. Now we have another sentence. He will not have finished the work. यानी उसने अपना काम complete नहीं किया होगा. This is an indication that in the beginning we use subject, then helping verb not. We use not in the middle of will and have, and then the remaining sentence is according to our formation. So if you are making a sentence negative in future perfect, you are going to put not between will and have. The last sentence is interrogative sentence. Will he have done his work? It's a questioning sentence, and it's a really simple. As I mentioned, that we will be using will in the beginning of sentence and then the rest of the structure according to this formation. This is an exercise. If you see, I have put the subject in the beginning of all these sentences, and then we have spaces. In space में जो चीज आपने करनी है, you have to change these verbs or action words according to the formation. और formation में आपने will have और third form में इस form को third form में use करना है. So this is an exercise. You can leave your comment in comment section how to improve further exercises. And in coming weeks there will be lessons and videos that will particularly be focusing on exercise and practical work. And now, as I mentioned earlier, this tense is used for planning, prediction, and assumption. For example, by 2030, scientists will have invented or discovered new ways of energy sources. यानी साइंटिस्ट जो है वो एनर्जी सोर्सेज का नए जो है वो रास्ते ये जराए तलाश कर चुके होंगे बाय 2030 यानी सन 2030 तक. So it's assumption and its prediction as well. You can make prediction and assumptions by using this in this tense. Thank you very much for joining me. It's Mohammed.